Hi, welcome back to the channel, Sparkling Glue. So I just wanted to share a folio. It was a plain folio that I made, and and a book, a flower book. And then I just glued lots of flowers. So let me just show you. This is how it started. So it's just a book of flowers and a folio. And that's just the pages. So the folio itself what is some designs by Rosa Kelly, and I'll link her channel below. I kind of might have mixed up some of her things. I don't know if there's an exact video for this particular one, but she does a lot of really nice interactive folios, flipping type things like this, and so it's a lot of fun. And I just thought I would share, if you take some blank paper and make some sort of folio book, or if you have one already, and then just cut out pictures. And that's all I did here. I did add one pocket. I just folded the page over and notched it out, and then added these. These were from the little book. The book itself is actually in dementia Alzheimer's book I found on Amazon, and I'll link that below as well. And the thing that's so nice about it is just all the pages are just huge flowers. That's it, with the title of the flower. And it just looked so pretty, so I thought I would oh, and this is a little pocket here, so I thought I would just share that with you. And as far as this, let me show you. I have a picture. I think it's, yeah. So all I did is cut out all the leftover scraps and glued them onto a white piece of cardstock, and then cut it up, just cut it to the size I wanted it. And I used that in here and in the little flip here. So I just thought, the only thing I fussy cut, it was this. I kind of angled out the flower, which I have to tell you, because the flowers are so big and they're easy to cut around. And most of them, though, I didn't. I just used the picture themselves because they were so pretty. But anyway, I just thought I would share that with you, that you can just make something so pretty and so bright, and even maybe you don't love the bright flowers, so maybe you just want to go with something a little more muted, or but just by having a couple of folded pages together and cut it out, you can really come up with a beautiful project. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll link the channel below and the picture book of flowers from